great. He loves it. Still doesn't know how to sneeze correctly. Are you kidding me? His face just explodes mid-conversation. It always happens at the restaurant. Like, Dad, you see how many points? And then I still help him. Like, grab a napkin here. Wipe your face, Joe. Let me do that with my mom when I was a kid. Shit. Mom, can you pass up? Are you fucking kidding me? Are your hands broken when you sneeze? When you sneeze, you can't use your fucking hands? You could not go like that? Now there's boogers on the chicken? You're eating all the booger chicken, Jose. All of that is yours. Enjoy boogers and chicken. Delicious, huh?